Hey there, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're the company who in the past have been taking care of your gutter cleaning, gutter maintenance, some tune-ups here and there on the shingles and the gutters. But the purpose of this video, I wanted to kind of explain our gentle detergent washing process for the exterior of your home here and what it takes for us to get all your windows cleaned, your vinyl storms there, and also a little bit of proactive roof maintenance. So please stay tuned, and I'd like to explain all these processes. Thank you. Okay, so essentially, a lot of people are familiar with power washing, but instead of blasting away at your house with high pressure, what we do is apply a gentle detergent wash with soap, algicides, surfactants, buffers, and that will kill all the mold, mildew, spider webs, bug guts, and wash away the dirt and algae really effectively without having to worry about any damage to the property. This is a delicate home with lots of painted surfaces, so our washing detergent is going to get in all those crevices really nicely and clean up all those little bug poops really nice, and without having to use high pressure. No ladders, no scaffolding, generally no brushing. So cleaner does the work, and after that we use about 9 gallons a minute, same pressure as a garden hose, and we rinse everything down section by section. It's going to look like a brand new house. You'll be super happy. We're going to want to keep these vinyl awnings down while we're doing the washing, and then after we wash that side we can raise them up if we like, clean the other side on the inside of the porch there. That way you don't have to waste your summers scrubbing that down. Okay, window cleaning. So looks like we got some older and newer windows. Some of the windows are going to take longer than others. Disassembling storm windows is very fun and exciting process. But instead of squeegeeing and soap and squeegee method on all your windows, what we do is, especially up there, is from the ground, three stories, we use a special water-fed pole, safely and effectively washing these windows without having to worry about anybody falling, spending hours and hours and hours squeegeeing each individual French pane. Our water does the cleaning for us. It has gone through a special filter, kind of like when you're at the car wash. That slow dripping water, you're always wondering, are we done yet at the car wash? Well, that is very expensive filtered water that has no minerals, no impurities, and no flaws in it. So after the windows dry, they're going to stay cleaner way longer than if you were to leave a small residue of soap with the old ancient squeegeeing method. Now, unfortunately, we can't go into your house and hose down your windows, which would be extremely convenient. But we'll walk through your home safely and carefully with our funny little booties, and try our best to be careful around all your property, and methodically, one by one, clean each individual French pane and detail all the tracks and sills and however you desire to have that taken care of, whichever package best meets your needs. But I did want to take a minute to talk about roof maintenance. Because of the tall nature of this home, it's hard to show all that's going on with the shingles up there. But being that I've been up there twice cleaning gutters, I've seen the whole roof a couple times. And my suggestion, I would recommend that we do start working on some roof maintenance. A minimum of a tune-up. I would also suggest a cleaning to get rid of any moss or lichen that's growing, which can do permanent damage to your shingles and the gravel, exposing the asphalt and the shingle. UV rays of the sun aren't going to do too well with that. And then after that, we can apply a conditioning treatment from MAXX. So that's all I have to say about my services. Please tune in to this quick informational video that talks about roof maintenance and its benefits, and how you can save yourself a lot of money by being proactive. Thanks.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing MAXX, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With RoofMaxx, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. RoofMaxx's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. RoofMaxx's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with RoofMaxx's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by RoofMaxx had absolutely no damage.
So a RoofMaxx roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with RoofMaxx.
Hey, thanks so much for allowing me to quote your home maintenance services. And I just wanted to take this brief moment to explain the benefits of cumulative buying power with you and your neighbors. So when you and all your neighbors take advantage of the buying packages that we offer, we're able to work more efficiently, plan out our days better, and plan out our help better, and our purchasing equipment to be able to provide the highest level of service for you. So the reason why I make these packages is because it allows us to work more efficient and provide the highest level of service for you. So when you combine the buying power of working with you and your neighbors, it saves you a lot of money and it makes us work smarter. Thanks so much. Hey, thanks so much for allowing me to quote your home maintenance services. And I just wanted to take this brief moment to explain the benefits of cumulative buying power with you and your neighbors. So when you and all your neighbors take advantage of the buying packages that we offer, we're able to work more efficiently, plan out our days better, and plan out our help better, and our purchasing equipment to be able to provide the highest level of service for you. So the reason why I make these packages is because it allows us to work more efficient and provide the highest level of service for you. So when you combine the buying power of working with you and your neighbors, it saves you a lot of money and it makes us work smarter. Thanks so much.